If your balcony plants keep struggling, it's probably not your fault. But there is one mistake that quietly ruins almost every balcony garden. Most people never notice it. They keep watering. They keep buying more plants. And the balcony keeps failing. Stay with me, because once you see this mistake, you won't make it again. Balcony gardening doesn't fail because the space is too small. It fails because the space is misunderstood. Many people choose plants first, and only later think about where those plants will live. But a balcony is not a garden. It is a microenvironment. Light changes by the hour. Walls reflect heat. Airflow is limited. And shade behaves differently than you expect. This is why plants that thrive in a backyard can quietly struggle on a balcony, even when you do everything you were told. Two balconies can be the same size. One looks crowded and stressed. The other feels calm, green, and alive. The difference is not money. It is not decoration. It is plant placement and light awareness. Here is the rule that changes everything. Match the plant to the light. Not the look. Not the trend. Light first always. Before adding a single plant, ask yourself, does this balcony get full sun, partial sun, or mostly shade? Is the light soft in the morning, or harsh in the afternoon? When you answer these questions, plant choices become simpler, and plants stop struggling. Many people believe a green balcony means more plants. In reality, fewer well-placed plants grow better and look healthier. If your balcony garden failed before, it does not mean you lack skill. It means no one explained the system. Plants are not fragile. They are specific. When you understand the space, even a small balcony can become calm, green, and alive. If this helped you see your balcony differently, 4 clear practical gardening guidance. Share and subscribe.